Pretext, an excuse. The rebels had the perfect pretext for making the move. Fabricate, to lie, to construct or manufacture. He fabricated a false story. Adroit, skillful or clever. My nephew is quite adroit at making model airplanes. Gesticulate, moving the arms energetically to emphasize one's words. They were shouting and gesticulating at the car drivers to slow down the cars. Vigilant, watchful or keep careful watch. The burglar was spotted by the vigilant neighbors.